Today we're going to start our wire sculpture figure. While we do this, you're going to have your wire. I'm going to show you first what to do, and then you're going to do it with me. Everyone's going to have 2 pieces of wire that are the same color. Now, like I said, I'm going to do it first, then you're going to do it with me. So first, I just need 1 piece of wire. And I'm going to match my 2 ends here. And then I'm going to pull it so that it kind of makes a loop. And I'm going to take a large glue stick and put it inside my loop. Then I'm going to pinch it with my fingers right here. And I'm going to twist my glue stick 3 times. So I have to notice it's up. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. All right, and there's my head. So like I said, first I'm going to do it, and then you're going to do it with me. So here's my other piece of wire. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to match my 2 ends. I'm going to pull it to make my loop smaller. Put my glue stick in, and I'm going to twist. 1, 2, 3. All right, and so everyone should have their head. So here's the one I'm doing by myself, and then the one I'm doing with you. This one's a little crooked, so I'll just straighten it out. All right, the next step you're gonna do, remember, you're watching first. You're gonna fold out both pieces of wire because that's where your shoulders are. And we have a template right here. I'm gonna put my head right on top of the head of my template. And I know it says the bend wire here. We're actually gonna go all the way to the edge, and then I'll bend it down. The reason why I'm doing that is if I bend it right here, it's gonna be a little bit too short for your arms because your wire gets shortened each time you twist it. So, then I'm gonna take the template away. And I'm going to use a pencil to create my hands. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to wrap it around my pencil, just like that, and I'm going to twist 3 times. Remember, my point's up, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then slide my pencil out. Guys, I do 3 times to make sure it won't come unraveled. So I'm going to loop it around. Pinch it. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Slide my pencil out. So there. I have my hands at the end of my arms. Now I need to do my elbow and my shoulders. So I'm going to come in kind of in the middle. I'm going to take my fingers, I'm going to pinch them on both sides. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And same on the other side, somewhere in the middle. Pinch my fingers. 1, 2, 3. So there's my elbow. Now the last spot I need to do is my shoulder. And that's going to be up closer to my neck. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And this elbow is a little bit high, so this will be short. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna bend my wires down for my torso. So let's go ahead and make your arms on the other one. Remember, this is the time you're working with me. So I'm gonna take my black wire. Remember, I'm gonna stretch it out both directions. And I'm gonna bend it at the edge of my paper. Bend it at the edge of my paper. All right, and I'm gonna take my pencil, wrap it around. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. And same thing on the other side. I wrap it around my pencil, pinch it, and 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm going to do my elbow and try to make this a little bit more even this time. 1, 2, 3. Come on this side. There we go. 1, 2, 3. And then my shoulders. 1, 2, 3 on that side. And over here. One, 2, 3. Remember, I'm going to bend those down. Alright, so now I have my arms and the beginning of my torso. So I'm done with this side of my paper. I'm going to take these, I'm going to bend them down. I'm making the torso of my person. So I'm going to take these and I'm just going to wrap them around each other. Go over and under, just wrapping it around. I'm not twisting it this time, I'm wrapping it. Wrapping it around. Alright, there you go. Again, I'm going to take this one. You can do this with me now. Go like this, and I'm wrapping it. And this one, wrapping it again. Alright, so now that we have those two done, we're going to attach another piece of wire for our legs. And to do that, I'm going to take a second piece of wire. I'm going to match the ends. I'm going to pull until I have a little loop. Now with my loop, I'm going to put my loop on one side. See, I'm going through the torso. And then I'm going to put these ends inside of that loop. And then I'm going to pull. And I'm going to pinch that. And I'm going to take one part of my wire and go 1, 2, 3, making sure I'm keeping it close, 4, and pinch again, and this time I'm taking the other wire, it's a longer one, go 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Alright, so now you can kind of play around with the shape of the body. Alright, so there's mine. Now I'm going to do it with you. I'm going to take my wire, find the ends, pull it, and we're going to put it through. Take these, put those through the loop, and pull. Alright. I'm going to hold on to that wire. I'm going to go in, whoop, I'm going to go around 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it again, switch to the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright guys, so those are my first steps of my person. We will come back next week and finish up our people.